Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video we see one tutorial on Catia V5. Go to start, mechanical design, part design. I will show you how to create a fan blade on part modeling. See, we see fan, table fan, the blade of that on center shaft. We see in this tutorial. Go to sketch. First I create a center shaft with some dia. Exit workbench. Go to pad. Select mirror option. 25 mm. mm. Give some color. I make a hole. .60 depth is 5 mm. Then blade. To create blade in curvature, and the blade also will not be straight, it will be at some angle. For that I take a plane with some angle. If I select this plane and if I go to sketch, if I draw something like this, it will be straight. I want to create a plane at some angle like this. For this I tilt plane to some angle like 15 degrees or 20 degrees. To turn, to give angle for plane, select plane option, select angle normal to plane, rotation axis Z axis I select, this plane, select this plane, reference YZ plane, .15 degrees. I turn to 15 degrees. .20 See, this is the plane which is turned. I hide these planes. Default planes are hidden. So See here, given plane 20 degrees. Now I select this plane, I go to sketch. I did it. I go for arc. I want the top portion with some radius, not straight. See here. Apply some corner. Give some radius. Exit. See, now see. The plane is at some angle, not straight. When you add thickness for this profile, I give some 2 mm. See, it is at some angle, but see, when you view from top view, it is straight over here. See, observe this, it is straight. No, I want to create like this. When you view from top, it should look like a arc shape, curve shape. Not, it should not be straight. For that, what we need to do is, see, I delete this pad. I edit this sketch. I take a bigger size because shaft looking bigger than the blade, so I am increasing the size. Okay, now see pad somewhat we got a bigger in size. I reverse this 2 mm blade. Okay. The other side I give only 10 mm. Okay, so slightly adjusted the shaft. See, now I change here also. When you view from top, it should be in curvature mode. See, for that let it be mirror both sides symmetrically, because we need to do some editing. I delete this pad. I go to body, I insert body, I take separate body, I cut this sketch and I paste this in separate body. Now I select this plane. Now see this plane, I go to sketch, base plane, this base plane, I select this plane and I go to sketch. Here what I do is I select arc, see like this I have taken. Go to offset, the thickness whatever you want, place over here. Three mm thickness. Close this profile, make a closed profile, trim this. Radius 72, 100, 75. Okay. Coincide this, then exit. See here we have two profiles perpendicular to each other. This is front side. So I should reverse this profile. Symmetry, select plane, that will be reversed without copying. See now, see I want this blade to get in this form. So now what I do is insert body, I cut the sketch, paste, define the sketch, so I pad this, see if I hide this part body only, the body concepts, the features in the body will be shown. Define the sketch, pad this, I give some 60, 100, 120. See, now what I do is go to Boolean operations and use the intersect option. See here, intersect, select the option intersect, body 3 to body 2, then go for OK. Now we can see it's changed. Now I right click and show so that you can see part body. Now you see, when you view from top, see it is curved in shape. So as I took arc, it is in shape. You can also take a spline, like I want like this and I want to come down and I want to raise this curve like this. Also you can take spline. See here, go to circular pattern, reference element, select axis, give angle 120 degrees, number of instances 3. See here, you can see the fan blade. When you view from front view, see you can see the shape of the blade, and when you view from top, you can see the curvature on the blade. Then add this body to part body. See, to increase the size of the blade, you have to edit this first sketch. See, So to reduce the thickness, this height of the shaft, you need to edit the first sketch. Check out this mirror, go for more. Front side I need lesser, then no. See, front side I reduced and the inside I given 20 mm. We can also increase this blade. See, I want 4 blades, go for 4, reduce the angle. See, like this. So from this video we learned how to use intersect command, body concepts. We have created 2 features in 2 bodies, and we added thickness to those 2 profiles, and we intersect and added to this hub. And in this tutorial we also used this circular pattern. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe in Imperial CAD system.